These are Tessa's puppies. That one is a boy, the teal color. Red is a boy. Black is a boy. And pink is a girl. So there's 3 boys, 1 girl, and they are called Ricky, Nikki, Dickie, and Dawn. So if you have children and they watch, I don't know if it comes on Nickelodeon or Disney.
It's Nickelodeon.
There's a show that is named Ricky, Nikki, Dickie, and Dawn. So that's what these puppies are named. Red is Ricky. You're gonna squish him. Let's see. Whoops.
Nikki. This ain't Nikki.
Let's see. This one. I know this one. This one is the girl, so this one is Dawn.
Give them an order, Grandma. They're Ricky, Nikki, Dickie, and Dawn.
Which one is Nikki? The yellow, not yellow. The blue one, teal one is Nikki. And then the black one is Dickie. They look pretty much alike. Hold Dawn up, Kate. Right here. I'm handing her to you. She's got a little bit of a white spot on her chest.
Get up. It's on top of me.
Kind of a little white line under there. Here you can see it. Your hand was over it.
Ow, ow, ow. They have sharp toenails.
What you gonna do with it now that you got it in your mouth, huh? They are fat puppies. Yep, they got all they could take of Mama's milk. Carly, your belly's showing. They're gonna get your belly. These are ready for homes the end of February. We have males available. And Dawn is just being good playing by herself.
I don't know why, but it's always the top of my head over here. Get her! Help! Help! Please break. Ow! Ow!
Well, you want to play hide and seek with them, and you know they're going to get you.
I'm not crying, I'm just
Why is this one like going above my head?
She's just being a good girl playing by herself.
The boys, on the other hand.
Ricky's doing okay. Where'd Ricky go?
He's right there.
Mm.